Song themes are specifically designed settings for your songs, including pre-selected backgrounds, foregrounds, font types, elements, and more, so they don't have to be recomposed for every use. You can think of them as predefined templates for your songs. You can set a default song theme, or use them just for changing basic backgrounds, or create and edit themes to have a specific look that's different than the global default settings. Any video or image from media can be used to create themes. To simply create a basic song theme, click on the Media tab, then right-click the video or image you want to use as a theme, and select Copy to Themes. Then choose Song Theme. Now, if I go to the Themes tab and make sure I have Song Themes selected on the left, you'll see the theme we just copied over from Media. At this point, you can use this theme by dragging and dropping it onto a song in the schedule, or even making it your default song theme by right-clicking and selecting Set as Song Theme. The only thing it will change at this point will be the background. To edit it and make other changes, right-click and select Edit Song Theme. You can also create a new theme by clicking the plus sign at the bottom of the themes library. There are lots of different things you can do with this, so I'll just go through the buttons and menus, which are the same as you'll see in your song editor. Click Text on the toolbar to add a text box. Whatever you type in there will show on each slide in the song that uses this theme. I'll just type in Welcome. Click Scripture if you want to add a scripture to the theme. With the Media button, you can set a background or add foreground images or videos. To set a background, click Media, and drag and drop your video or image to the master slide on the left. To add a foreground element, click Media, and just click on the video or image you want added. Drag and drop and resize however you want it. Click Arrange on the toolbar to sort your layers forward or backward on the canvas. Click on Inspector to change lots of other settings, including auto-advancing the slides, transitions, element properties, text properties, and any media properties on the slide. When you're finished creating and editing your theme, type in a title at the top and click OK to save it in the database. I know this theme is a little extreme and most users won't do this much for themes. To be more applicable, let's create a more basic song theme. Click the plus button at the bottom for a new theme, and I'm going to click on Media to set a background, and drag and drop it to the master slide on the left. I want my song text to only be on the right half of my screen, so I'll drag that over. I also want a different font type, so I'll click on Inspector and go to Font and select the font name. I also want an opaque solid color fill for the text box. So with the text box selected, I'll click on Fill, select Color Fill, and choose the color I want and the opacity setting. This looks pretty good, so I'll give it a title and click OK. Now this theme can be used by dragging and dropping it onto any song in the schedule, or if I want it to be my default theme, I can right-click and set as Song Theme. If I go to my Songs tab, you'll see that my songs default to that theme and all properties I set for it. Thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Easy Worship.